Chapter 28 The Trial of Hanuman. Indrajit brought the shackled Vanara before his father in triumph. Hanuman had decimated the demon king's most senior guards, generals and assassins, including Ravana's own son, Akshaya Kumar. Ravana, seated upon his towering golden throne, glared down at Hanuman with contempt and rage. "Who are you, forest creature? And what is your purpose in trespassing within my kingdom?" The noble soul responded, "I am Hanuman of the Vanaras. I am the emissary of Lord Ram. Ram has formed an alliance with my king Sugriv. The prince of Ayodhya was living out his exile in peace in the forest with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. One day they returned home to find Princess Sita gone. Ram has assisted Sugriv to reclaim his throne, and in return, Sugriv summoned millions of Vanaras to search the earth for Sita. I am one of those in the search party, and I have found the princess here, held captive in your kingdom. Your guards and generals attacked me, and I slew them in self-defense. Now, Demon King, the choice is yours. Release the Princess Sita or face the wrath of Lord Ram, who will have an army of ferocious Vanaras such as myself by his side." Ravana was furious. "Execute the insolent forest dweller," screamed the king. But a calm and benevolent voice spoke out. "Brother, this Vanara is an emissary, an envoy, and it is against the ethos of kings to execute a messenger." Vibhishan, the Sattvic brother of Ravana, continued, "However, the Vanara's actions in the kingdom cannot go unpunished." Ravana was stopped by his brother from carrying out the sentence he truly desired. He thought for a moment. He knew the Vanaras revered their tails with a sense of noble pride. Very well, the forest dweller may keep his life, but set the torch to his tail. Hanuman watched with a silent rage as the guards wrapped his tail with cloth, soaked it with oil, and set fire to it. He looked at the demon king on his throne. Ravana was gleeful in his sadism. What a pity, Hanuman thought to himself. Ravana might have been a great and noble king if he had not strayed from righteousness and let the darkness consume him. Now, this flame he has given me will be the pyre of Lanka. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.